Okay, we got this at R times 1,000, just because that's all it has. And if we go a good one, it's a good one here. We go. See, this one's by itself, and these are kind of connected. Not really, but they're sort of connected. This is, okay, watch this. Nothing. Jump, and then it goes down. Reverse, jump, and it goes down. Reverse, jump, and it goes down. Same here. Nothing. Jump, it goes down. Jump, it goes down. Jump, it goes down. And there might be some capacitance between these two. Nothing. Down. Jump, goes down. Jump, it goes down. Jump, it goes down. And then here's a bad one. And one of these connections is between activates the fan, and the other connection activates the compressor on your air conditioner. So if we go on my nothing, 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 nothing. Let's try the other one. Okay, the common, okay. Jump, it goes down. Jump, it goes down. Jump, it goes down. Jump, it goes down. This has, there's two capacitors built into here. And one of them is helps the fan start, and the other one helps the compressor start. And they both share a common thing. So you have like two hots going to your fan and two hots going to your compressor. So this terminal will have two connectors on it. And that is with a $6 ohm meter, multimeter. You can tell if your capacitor is bad or not. But if you want to buy a $100 meter that you talk to with your cell phone, well, you go ahead, so you can feel good about yourself. But the people that engineered this stuff, this is the kind of stuff they had, and it works, and it still works good.